Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim Jedricks Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson, I'm going to teach you how to play the chord of F major without using any bars. Very simple chord to play. So let's get started. Okay, this is the sound of F major, and as you can see, it just takes on the D shape. So if you could play D, just move it up to the 5th fret. That's just an easy way to play F major. So you play this chord by placing finger number 1 on string number 3 of the 5th fret, finger number 1 on string number 1 of the 5th fret, and then finger number 3 on the 2nd string of the 6th fret, and then strum these bottom 3 strings, strings 1, 2, and 3. F major. Okay, as opposed to playing to the bar chord. F major. So again, you place finger number 1 on string number 3 of the 5th fret, finger number 2 on string number 1 of the 5th fret, finger number 3 on string number 2 of the 6th fret, strum these bottom 3 strings. F major. Okay, if you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure and give me the thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. If you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it very much. I'd like to thank all my current subscribers as well. So have a great day. God bless you.